This is something that we will not accept as the people of Bomet, as the people, the leaders of the people whom we represent in this particular place. If this particular business is coming to a halt, then let the Kenyan government take control of it.
This is the time that you engage the government, engage the court of law, do everything possible to retain these people. This is the source of your livelihood. These are the people who have made you what you are, and they are suffering today. We have gone around this estate. They are crying like children in front of their children. And you are comfortable in Kajiado.
We've given them an option of extending the issue of sending them away by another 1 year so that these people can get to plan themselves accordingly, because we know most of these people have been staying here for as long as their childhood. Most of them were even born in the tea estates.